So here's something I haven't seen before. The shaft in this motor was rattling around. You know, I got the protective case off and I got the pulley off of it, which is pretty basic stuff. But you can see the shaft was just bouncing around. I thought maybe the bushing dropped down inside there. They've usually got like a little spherical bushing, which allows for misalignment. And so I figured I'd crack it open and take a look. Now, number one, if you're ever going to open up one of these old electric motors, what you want to do is make sure that you keep the, I guess what would be the stator, where the coils are, positioned correctly, or down in the bottom. Because what these things want to do is, watch this, they want to snap back up at the top. See how it did that? They snap back up at the top. Okay, it's the rotor actually, not the stator, the rotor. And the problem with that is normally you've got little brushes down inside here, okay? And sometimes those brushes are protected by a washer. And as it snaps back up, let's see, I lost my place here. Where am I? Okay, as it snaps back up, that washer will grab the brushes and bend them all to hell. Most motors have actually a couple of little slots in the bottom, and you can put a special tool inside there, and it'll spread the brushes apart so that you can pull it out without damaging them. This one, though, thankfully, the contact is actually on the face there, so I didn't damage it when it did that. But here's the kicker. I'll be darned, that bushing is still in there. I can grab it and move it around. You can feel the spherical portion of it. But that darn thing is just chewed all to heck. I've never seen one like this. You know, some of these old tape decks, what would happen was the motor was always on. Always on. And I'm just hypothesizing here. But I'm thinking probably what happened was maybe somebody left this thing plugged in for like, I don't know, 10 years or so. And gradually, you know, that bushing just wore away. I'm really not sure what I'm going to do here. I've got a machine shop, but that would be really difficult to manufacture with that spherical OD. I just have a manual lathe. If I had a CNC, I could do it. But then again, I'd have to pop those rivets out somehow, and it looks like those are tack welded in. Unfortunately, I think this thing's toast. So I guess the next thing I got to do is figure out what the RPM of this thing was. And I can probably just drop another motor in there and nobody will ever know the difference. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.